Hey, cleaning business owners, are you struggling to win commercial cleaning contracts? Do you keep submitting bids but never seem to land the job? You're not alone. Most cleaning business owners lose contracts because they don't know how to price, bid, and negotiate effectively. That's why I created the ultimate guide to winning commercial cleaning contracts, a step by step blueprint designed to help you win more bids, increase profits, and grow your cleaning business. This isn't just another business book. This is your roadmap to success in the commercial cleaning industry. Inside this powerful guide, you'll discover how to find high value cleaning contracts, a foolproof pricing strategy so you never undercharge, how to write a winning proposal. I added the Clean Guru link in there. Common mistakes that cost businesses contracts and how to avoid them. The secret to following up and closing more deals. These are the exact strategies successful cleaning businesses use to win big contracts, and now they're all yours. For only $49, you can get instant access to the strategies and tools you need to start winning bids today. Now, don't leave money on the table. Take control of your business and start securing the contracts that you deserve. Get your copy now, available exclusively on Amazon. Click the link below and start winning more contracts today.